Alright, welcome back again. 23rd of April. And it's late, 3 o'clock. Got about an hour to kill, so I'm just gonna zip down to Red Bushes, see what's going on down there. Give it a quick short. And go from there. I was originally gonna be done with steelhead fishing, but the weather's just too nice. Water went up just a tad, which might just keep them in or flush them out. I'm not sure. I really don't know. But weather's too nice to stay at home today, and I won't be able to do anything trout wise until after the weekend. So here we are. So let's see what's happening down at Red Bushes. Alright, at the Red Bushes. Water's up about 6 inches from the last time I was here. Fly of the day is a whitey gun. And the outfit of the day is my 11'7" weight with my Hardy #1 on here. And it's throwing a 580 grain Skagit head, and I got the like 2.5 inch per second poly leader on. So I'm gonna walk up close to the head here. There are some steelhead spawning up here that I don't want to mess with, but I will come up here, start fishing in this deeper water here and over by that tree, and then work my way on down, see if anything wants to play. Yeah, there's just off the rod tip there's a couple of spawning steelhead. And a little guy behind them too. I don't know if those are some of the Ganarastas. They're behind some of the bigger ones, but there's probably half a dozen fish right there, and one just splashed up in there too, so they're still going at it around here. There's another one right up here, so looks like no matter where I go I'm gonna end up spooking some fish. So, but I'm not gonna target those guys. They got too much going on to worry about attacking flies. So. Yeah, this one really giving it the business up there. Yeah, I'm just gonna short line, let out about a foot or so with each cast until I get to the length I like, and then I'll start working my way downstream from there. Okay, there are a lot of fish on gravel up here. I don't know if you can even see those guys right there. There's one that's probably close to 30 inches right there. So yeah, I'm gonna leave them alone. Although I'll probably end up spooking them as I move my way over here. No, I didn't. Good. There's more right there. This wind ain't helping. But I wanted to use the 6 today, but just a little too much breeze for the 6. See how that one goes, and then I think I'll start working my way downstream here. And do one more pull of line and throw just a little bit farther. Or I'll just take that fish. There we go. All right. Alright, I was actually able to get a hold of some double hooks since I lost my one there a couple weeks ago. Now I bought a whole package of them, so we'll see how they do. I'm guessing I got a steelhead here. Nice. Gonna beach himself. And quite a respectable job of fighting, that's for sure. Bring him up over here by this pipe. And get him landed here. Nice, 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 nice. Oh. Not the biggest, but definitely fighting very well. All right, yep. Just about done. Once you get the heads up on these fish, they pretty much are over. He's still got a little bit left, but not much. But yeah, he's a little guy. Like a grills. But still very bright. Alright. Now, rod on the bank. And we'll just bring them on in here. There we go. Even better. The hooks just popped right on out. And away he goes. I'll take that any day. A lot better than breaking them off. Alright, there's one fish. Fantastic. And whitey gun strikes again. Telling you, this is the fly. Alright. I'm happy with that. Wasn't even 10 minutes in. First trip down the run. Ooh, terrible cast. And should have busted out the 8. I really wanted the 6. I've got a couple nice browns on it, and I've got a big, huge Chinook on it, but I haven't had any steelhead on it. And that's what I got that thing for. That's basically my Brule River rod. And it still needs a proper baptism. There we go. There's fish number 2. This one's staying down. Yeah, is this a smallmouth? This might be a bass. The Zeke is coming right in. I doubt this is a steelhead. Coming in too easy. We'll see. He's staying down. It's one of those little guys. Yes, it is. It's one of those little, like, Chambers Creek guys. Talk about like a little grills. Gorgeous. I think it's very cool that these things are coming in. Let's bring him back here by the bank and get him off the hook. Absolutely gorgeous little guy. Oh, now now he wants to go. All right. Yeah, tiny little guy, maybe 20 inches. Absolutely beautiful though. All right. Get the rod on the bank. And we'll do the hand over hand here. See if I can get him over here by this. And when he wants to go, I just let the line go through my fingers. But looky there. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now he wants to play again. Alright, you. Come on. I want you off the hook. Just as much as you want you off the hook. Alright. Perfect. I'm liking this. 2 for 2 like that now. I will release them like that any day of the week. Fantastic. And absolutely beautiful. About 20 inches or so. On the Brule, they would call that a skipjack. I call it a grill. Very nice. GoPro's dead. And here by the boards, where at least I'm downwind, casting a little better. We'll see if I can get this thing in here. Alright. Another one on the whitey gun. Get this thing unhooked and put her back. There we go. Pretty fish. Let's get you back. Wrong way, buddy. Wrong way. Let's get you that way. There you go. There you go. There we go. On her way. Good release. Beautiful. Alright. On that note, in this wonderful spot, now I will say it. Life is good. Retirement is way better. See you later.